Patrol Air and Sea Adventures. Tap play to start. Tap on a badge to get ready for an adventure. If you want to start a new game, tap on a new badge. Paw Patrol to the Air Patroller. All pups on deck. All right, pups, welcome to the Air Patroller. With your new flight suits, we'll be ready to take to the skies to help our friends. Ready to test those flying skills? Hooray!
Awesome!
Who's ready for a test flight? Tap a pup to get started. Marshall!
Away!
Volcano Island. Tap play to start. Marshall, come in! The volcano on Volcano Island has erupted. Rubble got there on the double, but he needs 5 rocks to stop the lava flow. When you see a rock, fly towards it to collect it.
I'm fired up!
Put your finger on your pup and move it up and down to fly higher and lower. Now try moving your finger to one side and then the other to steer. PAWsome. All right, let's test those flight skills, pups. Marshall, come in. The volcano on Volcano Island has erupted. Rubble got there on the double, but he needs 5 rocks to stop the lava flow. When you see a rock, fly towards it to collect it.
I'm fired up! There's always time for treats!
Great job! Way to fly! Whoa! Nice! Speed boost!
There's always time for treats!
PAWsome flying! Great job!
There's always time for treats!
To collect the rock, use your finger to trace the way to go! Woohoo! We found the rock!
There's always time for treats!
Fantastic flying! PAWsome flying!
Perfect! 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 There's perfect!
Fantastic flying! Way to fly! Speed boost!
Whoa! I'm getting dizzy! PAWsome!
Way to go! You found 1 rock. There's only 4 rocks left to find. Keep flying to find them all so rubble can block off that lava. Nice flying! You earned a new reward! You earned the 50 Pup Treats badge! You earned the 100 Pup Treats badge! Wow! You earned a new badge! Way to go! We found Speed Boost! You found the rock! You've unlocked the next level!
I'm fired up!
Alright! Let's test those flight skills, pups! Rubble needs another rock to stop the lava flow from reaching the rest of the island. When you see a rock, fly towards it to collect it.
Ready for a woof woof rescue!
Way to fly! That was a great speed boost!
Perfect! There's always time for treats!
PAWsome flying! Speed boost!
Whoa! I'm getting dizzy!
Way to fly! Speed boost!
Whoa! I'm getting dizzy!
Use your finger to trace the oval. Way to go! All right! We collected the rock.
There's always time for treats! treats.
Great job! Whoa! Nice! Loop-de-loop!
I'm fired up, and away!
Perfect!
There's always time for treats.
PAWsome flying!
Perfect. There's always time for treats.
Fantastic flying! Way to fly!
PAWsome.
Now Marshall has 1, 2 rocks. There's only 3 rocks left to find. Keep flying to find them all so rubble can block off that lava. Nice flying! You earned a new reward! You found the golden bone! Wow! You earned new badges! Woohoo! We found the speed boost! Way to go! We found loop-de-loop! You found the rock! You've unlocked the next level!
I'm fired up!
Test those flight skills, pups! Rubble needs another rock to stop the lava flow from reaching the rest of the island. When you see a rock, fly towards it to collect it.
I'm fired up!
Perfect! PAWsome flying!
There's always time for treats. Perfect!
Way to fly! Fantastic flying! Whoa! Nice! Loop-de-loop!
I'm fired up, and away!
Way to
There's always
fly!
time for treats.
Nice work! That was a great speed boost! Speed boost!
Whoa! I'm getting dizzy. There's always time for treats.
PAWsome flying! Use your finger to trace the hexagon. Way to go! Woohoo! We found the rock.
There's always time for treats.
Fantastic flying! Great job!
There's always time for treats.
Fantastic flying! Nice work! That was a great 360 spin! Woohoo! PAWsome flying!
Perfect. There's always time for treats.
Great job! Perfect! Speed boost!
Whoa! I'm getting dizzy. PAWsome.
Now Marshall has 1, 2, 3 rocks. There's only 2 rocks left to find. Keep flying to find them all so rubble can block off that lava. Wow! You earned new badges! Woohoo! We found the loop-de-loop! Way to go! We found speed boost! Alright! We collected the 360 spin! You found the rock! You've unlocked the next level!
I'm fired up.
Alright! Let's test those flight skills, pups! Rubble needs another rock to stop the lava flow from reaching the rest of the island. When you see a rock, fly towards it to collect it.
Ready for rescue.
Perfect!
There's always time for treats.
PAWsome flying!
Perfect.
Great job!
There's always time for treats.
Pawsome flying! Whoa! Nice! Speed boost! Perfect!
There's always time for treats.
Way to fly! Nice work! That was a great loop-de-loop!
I'm fired up, and away!
Great
There's
job!
always time for treats.
Perfect! Pawsome flying! Use your finger to trace the pentagon. Way to go! Woohoo! We found the rock.
There's always time for treats.
Way to fly! Great job!
Perfect. There's always time for treats.
Perfect! Great job! Whoa! Nice! 360 spin! Woohoo!
There's always time for treats.
Way to fly! Pawsome flying!
I'm okay. There's always time for treats.
Nice work! That was a great barrel roll!
Woohoo! Awesome!
Now Marshall has 1, 2, 3, 4 rocks. There's only 1 rock left to find. Keep flying to find them all so rubble can block off that lava. Wow! You earned new badges! All right! We collected the speed boost. Woohoo! We found the loop-de-loop. All right! We collected the 360 spin. Way to go! We found barrel roll. You found the rock. You've unlocked the next level.
I'm fired up.
All right! Let's test those flight skills, pups. Rubble needs another rock to stop the lava flow from reaching the rest of the island. When you see a rock, fly towards it to collect it.
Ready for woof woof rescue.
Pawsome flying! Whoa! Nice! Speed boost! Fantastic flying!
Treats.
Speed boost!
Whoa! I'm getting perfect.
Perfect!
Perfect. There's always time for treats.
Pawsome flying! Speed boost!
Whoa! I'm getting dizzy.
Nice work! That was a great loop-de-loop!
I'm fired up, and away!
Way to
There's
fly!
always time for treats.
Great job! Speed boost!
Whoa! I'm getting dizzy.
Pawsome flying! Nice work! That was a great 360 spin! Woohoo! Perfect!
Always time for treats.
Great job! Use your finger to trace the pentagon. Way to go! All right! We collected the rock.
There's always time for treats.
Perfect!
I'm okay.
Fantastic
There's always
flying!
time for treats.
Whoa! Nice! Barrel roll!
I'm fired up, and away!
Great job!
Perfect. Perfect.
Way to fly!
Always time for treats.
job! Speed boost!
Whoa! I'm getting dizzy.
Whoa! Nice! Front flip!
Whoops! PAWsome!
Now Marshall has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rocks. Awesome! You found all the rocks to help Rubble stop the lava. Nice flying! You earned a new reward. You performed all the special moves. You found all of the rocks to help Rubble stop the lava. Wow! You earned new badges! Way to go! We found Speed Boost! Woohoo! We found the Loop-de-Loop! Way to go! We found 360 Spin! Alright! We collected the Barrel Roll! Woohoo! We found the Front Flip! You found the Rock! You found all of the rocks to help Rubble stop the lava! Choose a pup to get started!
Shake it, move it. Show 'em what you got, that pup stuff.
Tap on a pup.